Rachel's Routine presents I Washed My Face. Hello friend, today you'll be learning how to wash your face. Let's begin. Grab a clean washcloth. Pull, pull. Turn on the water. Shh. Wet the washcloth. Splash, splash. Scrub your face. Rub, rub. Gee. Rinse the washcloth. Swish, swish. Scrub your face again. Rub, rub. All clean. Put the washcloth in the dirty clothes hamper. Drop. Grab a clean towel. Pull, pull. Dry your face. Pat, pat. Put the towel on the hook. All done. Your face feels fresh. This is how we take care of ourselves. You're looking nice and clean. Thanks for watching Rachel's Routines. Visit our page for more cool videos. Bye-bye.